What's going on? See behind me? We got a lot of brush and weeds to clean up. We're going to use the old 52cc weed eater here again, the old Vevor. This time, we got a GoPro on her. Kind of anxious to see how that turns out. We're going to clean all this up. Probably about from those briars right through here, because right down there's plants. Then it goes all the way back to right in here. The building over here you can't hardly see. We'll probably make a line to that tree and out that way somewhere, clean this up. Then we'll jump over and we'll just do one weed eater pass down through there. Now we're going to use string today on these briars, because personally I like mulching them up. And if you come in there with the blade, it's hard to mulch them up, but it's real easy to mulch them up with the string. You just go through a little more string that way, but that's just part of it and it'll be okay. I'll show you what it looks like here when we get done. And a separate video will be the GoPro footage and me actually doing this. Will be like a little two-parter, because I've already done a minute worth of talking. And no one wants to watch a 10-minute video these days. So it's going to be a two-parter. We'll see you then. All right, about an hour and a half later, you ready to see what we got done, how it looks? So those little flowers, they are bushes. They bloom yellow, then they're green most of the year. Eventually, we're going to get them all through this bank over here. That's what that is. Now that stupid thing is a stupid rose bush, and of course, you can't really get that with string. And then same with that. That turned out pretty good. At least the grass won't be scraping your vehicle as you go up through there. That goes up to the cemetery. Eventually, these three trees, this tree, that one's fixing to go now, are all going to be out of here. I don't want none of these suckers getting tall and landing on the house. Yeah, wifey's got a pink door. Like a pink interior wasn't enough. She had to do the exterior too. I think she's wanting the whole outside pink. Anyway, so we found a building. There's a building we found. Again, you gotta get rid of all these stupid trees. I like trees, but not close to my house. Not close to buildings. More bushes. I think that bush will stay. That's a rose bush. That's a stupid tree. I don't know what kind of bush that is, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna let him grow. All briar thicket. You gotta get out of here. There's a rose bush in there somewhere, but I'll probably end up just killing it out. Take a blade to it. And then I'm gonna bring my machete out here and chop notches in these vines before it kills this tree. I'm shocked it ain't already as big as those vines are and how many they are. And then we stopped right here for today, realizing there's a lot of little shrubs in here. Not real big, but big enough. I'm gonna just take a blade. I was hoping to make it to this tree, but it ain't gonna happen today. Excuse me a moment. Oh, fuck. But anyway, the road kind of comes up, and there's a point right there. I was hoping to get this whole triangle piece cleaned up eventually, but that tree there was my goal today, but that didn't happen. Another daggone tree right close to the building. Don't know what all is in that thing. You gotta check it all out and then see if the building's worth saving or not. On the outside it looks good. We'll see what the inside looks like after a while. And then just random stuff up there I go through. See what's good, what's not. And then yeah, there's that. There's the tree I was trying to make it to. About right in there's the point where the road meets. Make a nice little flatten that up a little more. Put a burn ring right there. Be a nice little spot. Put a fence right across that bank. Talk to my wife, we might end up doing that, I don't know. But this piece is getting 3 minutes long. I doubt many people made it this far. But the reason we're not doing the blade today is there's a house down there. I want to use string to get around it. It's got a pretty good roof. And then once I use the string around it, getting the grass out of there, then we go back with a blade and get all the briars and trees. And that's when I'll come up here, get all these briars and trees. I lift these kind of tall and goofy, so a couple of weeks we'll get some water bottles. We'll cut them off, put them in water bottles, let the roots grow up. And when they start sprouting roots, we'll start planting them up through here real thick. Hopefully by a year or two it'll look like that all the way down through there. Kind of excited for that, to be honest with you. But that's our progress today. Took about an hour and a half, not too bad. I didn't think. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.